Get the deal you need to get into a new Ford right now at Thoroughbred Ford.
I didn't think I could trade my 2012 out and actually get a 13 as easy as I did, and they made it simple.
We sell new Fords for less.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Haralson County in northwest Georgia, Paulding County in northwest Georgia, southern Polk County in northwest Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds up to 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 6 miles northwest of Buchanan, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Braswell, Dallas, and Hiram. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using hashtag GAWX. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday evening for northern Georgia.